With the fluctuations in the stock market, have you gotten a little sick to your stomach with all the ups and downs of your financial portfolio?
Well, perhaps you should look into another type of investment, real estate. But how can owning a rental property turn into a good financial investment for you? And is it possible to buy a rental property in your IRA? Well, our smart financial friends of Jacksonville Wealth Builders are here to answer those questions and show us how we can do it. Their motto is real estate investments without the headaches. And joining us are Alex Safakis with Jacksonville Wealth Builders and Ken and Carolyn Godwin, who are clients of Jacksonville Wealth Builders. We'll get to you guys in just a second because we want to hear about your story. But first, Alex, what is Wealth Builders, Jacksonville Wealth Builders, and how does it work?
Well, Jacksonville Wealth Builders is a real estate investment company that provides passive real estate investments for our clients. So we sell rental properties. What we actually do is we go out there and we buy a single family home. We totally renovate it, so new roof, plumbing, electric, everything. And then we put a tenant in the property and sell it to a client of ours like Ken and Carolyn. After we sell them the property, we handle the property management for them. So if that tenant, if the toilet breaks in the middle of the night, we take care of that. We collect the rent. Any of the normal hassles that make people not want to invest in real estate, we take care of all those problems for our clients. So all they have to do is, buy the property originally and then cash those rental checks that we're sending them every single month.
So there's been a lot of national media attention on Jacksonville as a real estate market, saying there are a lot of really good investments right now to purchase. So why rental income? Why is this such a good investment?
Well, the key to a good rental investment is cash flow. So cash flow is what you're making every single month on your investment. And in order to have a good cash flow market, you need low prices and high rent. It seems pretty simple, but those are the two key ingredients. And Jacksonville has low prices and high rent. So the median home price here is 26% lower than the national median. But the average rent here is 3% higher.
Wow.
So you got low prices and high rents, and that spread gives our clients the great returns that they're getting in today's market.
Now, you mentioned something about a self-directed IRA earlier. How do you find one of those, and how does that work?
Well, a self-directed IRA is just an IRA that enables you to invest in non-traditional investments like real estate. So normally, when people think of an IRA, they think of it with Charles Schwab or Fidelity or some other big company. Yeah. But what you can do is you can take your money in your Charles Schwab account and transfer it over to a self-directed IRA. And you're not taking your money out of your IRA, so there's no penalties or anything like that. You're just transferring it to this company that enables you to invest in things like real estate. And our company works with the very best self-directed IRA companies to make that process very simple for our clients.
Are there penalties involved with that when you're switching it, or
no penalties, nothing like that.
And you handle that. They don't have to do that themselves.
Yep.
Let's bring you two into the conversation. You've been so nice sitting there so quietly. But you guys did this, and what has been your experience, Ken and Carolyn?
They made it very easy. Carolyn found this investment. I'm a reluctant investor, traditional investor. I'm not a good investor, but she brought this opportunity to us.
And how's it been for you guys? I mean, what were the steps when you first went in? What did you see, and then what made you guys decide to do this?
They gave us some proposals, some homes that they were just bringing online, renovating them. We did a bus tour around town. We came down from Atlanta to see what the opportunities were. And it was just, we were just thrilled. It didn't take much to win me over.
So Alex, what kind of return on our investment are we looking at here, as far as our monthly income from these rental properties?
Our clients are typically making between 8 and 10% returns. That's very consistent. Yeah, it's great return. I mean, a lot better than you can get in just about any other investments. And we've been in business for over 6 years. We have clients in 26 different states and 7 different countries.
And we have some just generic photos of properties that clients of yours have that we can show.
Some of our properties,
So you have something tangible, you have something physical that you are able to hold on to, which is a really great aspect of this.
Now, what makes buying a rental property through Jacksonville Wealth Builders different than any other program or just going to a real estate agent and doing this yourself? What sets you guys apart?
Well, what most people don't realize is that real estate investing is a team sport. And your teammates in real estate are your property management company, your contractors, your title company, and a lot of others that it takes to make a successful real estate investment so you can actually make the money that you were planning on making in the beginning. And what Jacksonville Wealth Builders has done is assemble all those teammates under one roof. So there's one number to call. If our clients have any questions or any concerns, we handle everything for them so they can spend their time doing the things they want to do and not having to deal with all those headaches that come with real estate.
And I can imagine, just real quick, I can imagine that getting all those people involved is going to cost you so much that you're going to end up not making money. So you guys keep the cost down of all that. They still walk away with 8 to 10%, and I think it's a fantastic thing that you guys are doing. So
well, thank you so much
all.
for being
Yeah.
here. We appreciate it. Alex, Ken, and Carolyn for being here. We also want to thank Jacksonville Wealth Builders for sponsoring this segment.
They have a special for our First Coast Living viewers only. They will send you a free investor's guide and CD, which includes information on 3 things that you need to know before buying a rental property, 2 market indicators of real estate goldmine, plus a free consultation if you want to go in and talk to them about everything, just to name a few. You can call them at 904-677-6777. You can also head to their office at 2406 University Boulevard West, or log on to the website at www.jacksonvillewealthbuilders.com.